What is going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building, baby. We are back with the moto vlog now. I just picked up a GoPro 10, and we're gonna be doing some more moto vlogging, guys. The reason what happened last time was that I lost my my GoPro in my little lake in the back of my yard. I was playing with my powerboat, and I decided to put it on. The little boat, remote control RC boat, and it fell in the lake. So it is what it is. So as all you can see, you probably see my last video. I did go on a trip to the Bahamas with the wifey, and I did get this GoPro 10, which I did some stuff in at the Bahamas, Atlantis. It was a great trip, and then now we're back. So right now, this video is about that we're going to South Carolina, Hilton Head. It's about, I would say, a 30-minute ride or 40-minute ride. It's pretty close to where I live, and they just opened up a new Harley Davidson. I don't know if it's a dealership or a t-shirt shop, or I don't know what it is, but it does say Harley Davidson. They just opened it up. So we're about to go with my boy Axeo to go check it out, and yeah, it should be fun. It's a beautiful 60, I would say 67, 68 degrees today here in Georgia, and we decided to just take the bikes real quick. It's some in the afternoon today, and just go check out the new Hilton Head Harley Davidson. So tune in, guys. In a few minutes we will hit the road on 95 and head there. All right, meanwhile, I'm gonna let you guys know March 5th I will be at KROME WERKS from 1 to 3 at the KROME WERKS rig in Destination Daytona, which is the new Harley Davidson. I don't remember the name. I am gonna post it on the bottom here so you guys check it out. They did sell the dealership, so it has a new ownership, so tune into that. And I might be going down March 8th as well, or March 9th, or maybe the weekend. Just tune into my Instagram post, barbercvo_19, and you will see the following post. So I'll show you guys where we're gonna be at, and who we're gonna be with, so you guys could do a little small meet and greet, if anything. All right, guys, tune in a few minutes. Picking up my boy Axeo, and we're heading to Hilton Head Harley Davidson. All right, so we got a 2019 Streetlight CVO here once again, fully hooked up. Decided to put the tour pack on right now. We got this LED bars here. Thank you, Advan Black. Make sure you go check out their website. Really nice LED bar, love it. KROME WERKS as well with the pipes, Olin's, just looking fabulous right now. So Advan Black side covers right there, and I got it painted as well. We're gonna be changing, probably, if they're in Daytona. I got the Galfers rotors right there, and then these buttons, you could change them in different colors. So I'm probably gonna be changing them into red, so it can match the red right here as well. So we're gonna do red here, red or chrome. Comment down below, let me know what you think about change the buttons to red or chrome. I just wanted to pop a little bit. We got all custom dynamics right there as well. The whole thing is full of custom dynamics. Thank you, guys. Clockworks as well here on the top bar. I'm gonna be doing a video on these lights right here from Custom Dynamics. Super bright, really love it. It actually illuminates the whole entire floor when you ride. Gives it a major look. Looks great. I love it. It's a halo light too as well. Can't forget, shout outs to Mustang seats. They got the whole collection right here. They will be at Daytona as well. alongside with KROME WERKS and also Advent Black. Go check them out, they will be there. But let me tell you, this seat, I will be giving a review on it. I got about 3,000 miles on this, probably a little more since I got it last year. So this is gonna be a video as well on the Mustang seats with the back rest here for the tour pack. Love it, looks good. All right, so just waiting for my boy Axeo here. He should be showing up here at the Dunkin' Donuts, and then we're gonna be heading out to Hilton Head. All right. All right, so we're about to arrive here at the Harley store here in Hilton Head, South Carolina. When I arrived here, for some reason, online it said it was closing at 7 o'clock. I look at here and it says it closes at 6. So we got there around 6:20. But there will be other days that I will come by, go inside and check it out. So also, I will be in Jacksonville, Harley Davidson, February 28th, starting from 9 a.m. to about 1 p.m. All right, see you guys there. Thank you guys. Subscribe.